Ijonimi, Idikwa Itunado, Ikarire Titemadu, Adi Kone Dikagi, Esebo, Idiekube, Ijonimi, Idikwa Itunado, Ikarire Titemadu, Adi Kone Dikagi.
I know the thoughts I have towards you. And because I have a good thought towards you, I will not allow the plans, the thoughts of your enemies to come to pass. I don't care what they are planning, but it is my own plan that will come to pass. They thought that by crucifying Jesus, they have destroyed him. They thought by crucifying that his destiny is over. I don't know their thoughts for your life. I don't know what they have planned. But heaven says I should tell you that their plans will fail. That their thoughts will be turned to foolishness. That their plans will be turned to foolishness. That their activities will be turned to nothing.